Hey guys, I'm Zelda and this is my lunch break. Today I bring you this famous Chinese dish, Coca-Cola chicken wings. This dish is good for lunch, dinner, or anytime, and it's even better with rice. Besides, who doesn't love chicken wings? Let's make it! The first step, let's slice the chicken wings. This is the most mafan way. What mafan means is troublesome. It takes time, but not really hard. Actually, the only thing you need to do is to slice them in both sides. The fun thing is, actually, I am a Coke lover, and I like to drink Coke almost all the time. When I was really young, I don't eat much, but only drink Coke. That's the time that my granny thinks it's not really healthy for me. I need to eat something good. And then she came up with this recipe, and she wants me to gradually eat some normal food, not like just Coke. The first time I eat this chicken wings, I fell in love with it. Okay, we're done with the most mafan thing. Okay, next we just turn on the heat, and I don't know why I cannot turn on the heat. Oh, this is... Okay. Drizzle the oil over medium-high heat. Next, let's just add the chicken upside down. Oh, you can hear the sound already. Sear for 3 to 5 minutes. Well, I think it's about time. Well, you can see it's already golden brown. And let's just flip it. Now our chicken wing is ready, and next we're going to add the Okay. And next we're going to add the ginger. Let's just dump it. And the light part of the scallion. Dump it. And next, the Shaoxing wine. Now let's just cook the chicken for a couple of minutes to evaporate the wine. Actually, for the Shaoxing wine, we can substitute it with any kind of alcohol you like, but better not to choose beer, because beer will make it bitter. Next, let's just add the Coke. And soy sauce. Yes. Next, our oyster sauce. Yes. Okay, put it in. Then let's turn the heat to high and bring to a boil. If there's too much foam, you can just skim some off. It's about time. Let's just cover it and turn the heat to medium and wait for 10 to 12 minutes. We're almost there. Now let's just open the lid and put in the lemon slices. Let's turn the heat to high and stir occasionally until the sauce becomes thick. If I am sent to an abandoned island, the 3 ingredients I must bring is garlic, alcohol, and salt. I think we Chinese can make any kind of magic through these 3 ingredients. Personally, I really love garlic. We usually eat garlic raw in the morning. Yes, with the noodles. Now we get the right consistency. And what we're going to do is to turn off the heat, and that's it. Is that easy? We're ready to serve. Let's just place the chicken in the plate. Chicken. Chicken wings. I love to eat the chicken wings with rice. And every time when I finish the chicken wings, I will pour the extra sauce on my rice and just eat them together. It was delicious. Let's just add some lemon slices on the chicken. And one more to here. Okay, now let's sprinkle some scallion on the top. And some white sesame seeds on the top too. Ooh. Yes, that looks amazing. And here we have our Coca-Cola chicken wings. It has a good balance between sweetness and saltiness. And our lemon slice just make it taste more fresh. And it reminds me of my granny. Hope you like it and give it a try. See you next time. Bye.